Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to say thank you all so much for 200 subscribers. So good morning to you all. I hope you're having a wonderful Labor Day weekend. I hope you're enjoying some time with your friends and family if that's what you choose to do. And I hope that you are staying safe. But I really do appreciate each and every one of you. That means at least 200 of you hit that red subscribe button and you've stuck with me so far on this YouTube journey on PJ Danita Trends. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And if you are watching this video and you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family and friends. So that's it. I'm here at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and just walking out on the beach. And then I will take you back inside and let you look at the room that we're staying in. It's a little bit lived in, so ignore that. But I'll give you a quick room tour and let you see. So hopefully you're doing something fun for your holiday weekend. If you are, you can leave me a message in the comment section below, or you can just say congrats, which is what most people do on thank you videos. But anyway, I did not want to go on without just showing my appreciation for you all. Okay, so we are back in the room and I just want to give you a quick little tour. This is the little area, a sink that they have here. So that's a nice little area if you want to come over and brush your teeth. The shower and toilet is in a separate area. There are some towels and washcloths and toiletries out here. There's a nice safe and some hangers. And then it also has a little kitchenette area. So of course it has a mini sink, a mini stove even. It has a mini microwave. It's almost like being in a tiny house. And then there is a refrigerator, and these are the coffee supplies. And this is just the backsplash that they have in this kitchenette area. And then this is a view of the room. So as you can see, like I said, we've already put our things down and we've been here for a little while, but this is the color scheme, which I kind of like. It's very cool and relaxing. That's the carpet. And then this is a view from the opposite side of the room, and they've got the lit mirror. And I just really like it. It's a nice little getaway. It's nice, it's cozy, and very relaxing. So that's it. I'm going to get back to enjoying some time with my family. But I just, again, wanted to show my appreciation for you all. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. And I will, of course, talk to you all in the next video. Bye for now.